When kids don't go to school like they're supposed to, it can impact many facets of our communities, including the criminal justice system. In an effort to reduce truancy in San Bernardino County, the Public Defender's Office partnered with local schools to create the Making Attendance a Priority program. The result? A significant drop in truancy and improved likelihoods of long-term success by the students in the program.
Back in 2009, I was the chief deputy for our juvenile division at the Public Defender's Office, and we were obviously dealing with a lot of the issues that our clients deal with. One of them is truancy and school performance. So we had been looking for a way to partner with the school districts to try to work with the truancy issue of some of our clients.
Well, I was sitting in my office one day, got a call from a guy named Chris Gardner, who's the chief public defender, and he asked me about a program that he wanted to start in terms of called the MAP program, regarding social workers and the like. And so I was like, yeah, sure, come on down to the meeting.
There's several reasons for delinquency, for delinquent conduct, but all studies indicate that probably one of the largest indicators is poor school performance, poor school attendance, simply for the reasons that the kids, if they're not in school during the day, they're more accessible to finding trouble and to getting involved in activities that they shouldn't be.
When the public defender calls, you're not really thinking that they are going to be the engineers of a program that deals with social workers, so it's intriguing.
It was kind of the perfect storm, if you will, of opportunities. It started off with our relationship with the Department of Behavioral Health from our county. It coincided with the passage of Proposition 63, which was the Mental Health Services Act. There was some money there, opportunity for different agencies to apply for some grant funding if they could develop a program that would maybe work with the prevention, early intervention, onset of mental health issues with children. And we thought that maybe we could kind of carve out a little niche with regard to truancy being an indicator of mental health issues and also an indicator of possible juvenile delinquency behavior. So we reached out to the Department of Behavioral Health and applied for a grant with them. That was the first place we went.
We had a meeting, he went over the details, we're on board, we believe in collaboration.
The linchpin was we were able to reach out to the city school districts, San Bernardino City School District. They indicated they would be interested in if we could establish some funding and establish a program to letting us try the program and develop the program in their school district. We
get notification that a kid is having attendance problems. When they get severe enough under the SARB rules, we have them meet with a whole SARB board, which could consist of, all of the county agencies, the district attorney, the probation, mental health, and now we had another willing partner, the public defender, who brought in a social workers program. And so when that happens, the kid is there, we're trying to diagnose what the problem is. Why are you having difficulties? Why are you not going to school? Why are you having challenges? And a lot of times you get overwhelmed in that because of the fact that some people need more intensive services. And with the MAP program, we were able to have a vehicle for that.
The Public Defender's Office attends the SARB hearings, the School Attendance Review Board hearings held down at the school district. Our social workers are experts in understanding kind of what contributes to kids and their families having difficulty getting to school. We reach out to those parents and students if they choose to participate and help and allow our social worker access to their houses and to their family's environment. We look for solutions to try to figure out what we can do to help get their kids in school.
My first contact with the clients comes at the SARB process. So when a family receives the letter that their child has truancy issues, they attend the meeting, and I'm one of the people that serves on the panel there. Once the family agrees to services, what my function is to offer the family any kind of resources that they feel that they need. Because typically if there's a truancy problem, there's an underlying issue, whatever it may be. They may need mental health services, it may be basic needs. The biggest thing that I do is I'm an advocate for the family and the children on the school level and any issues that they may be having. So I just want to help the family overall to improve their functioning on every level.
The MAPS program really helped me a lot with my kids and the attendance. They helped me with bedding. They helped me with clothing for my kids because I had 10 kids, it's really hard to take care of them with clothing wise. They helped me with IEP with my daughter who has severe anxiety and been there all the way through IEP meetings. Anything I need, they're always there.
Sometimes the word social worker sometimes can scare people, but I do explain to them that the only reason I'm there is to help them and to provide services for them. I've always received a welcome. Like, they've always been very open with me, very honest, and open to everything that I'm willing to provide for them.
What will usually happen when kids aren't going to school, most people want to look at the penalty side. What do we do to the parent? What do we do to the student? Can they be arrested? Can they be cited? Now the public defender has the perception of, we're here to help. People in the community know we're here to help you get out of whatever particular difficulty you have.
We have less of a stigma in the community as being pro-law enforcement, and I think it enables the families to feel a little more secure in talking to us and letting us into their private business.
So now the kids are more open, they're communicating, they feel like they have an advocate, they're more prone to listen to the social workers and take the suggestions because it's not being imposed, it's coming from a neutral advocacy party.
These families aren't aware of what's in the community, and so I act as an access way to give them these resources, and it seems that they never even knew existed.
Because of the MAPS program, my children go to school. The attendance is really good, improved significantly. Their grades got a little bit better, and everything is working out really good.
Truancy, when I first took over as director, it was not great. Our ADA was like 91.5. That program happened to coincide right at the time where we needed that intensive help. And so that brought the truancy rate to 96.1, and with that extra intensive work. So it's been really beneficial, and if anyone is like looking at ADA, they know that that's a huge leap.